What's up? I just want to come on here and just wish everybody a happy new year. You understand? Just remember 2023, same goal, hard work, determination as always.
Yeah, man, SR Boss, I represent for Jamaican Baddest Channel. I'm me alone in all the dark room.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, before me jump tonight, may I beg everybody just like, share, subscribe on that video here. As well as you don't know, have a big up Father God. Thanks to God, so we have a life. And that's the reason we can do that vlog here today. Alright, my people, so you don't see what go on. Usain Bolt, he made headlines a few days ago. His account was robbed, and this was the whole SSL thing. SSL is the name of the company, and Usain Bolt alone get robbed, people. It's just, you don't know, him a prime time. You understand, him name big, so him a gonna be one of the names them would definitely them a gonna educate the public about, other than everybody else with a small fries, basically. You understand? So anyway, my people, I have other updates as well. I'm going to know what's going on with the Usain Bolt thing shortly. But I have other updates as well, my people. You know, say last night, Queenie I perform. And Queenie actually dropped a this for Amari. You understand? Because I don't know if I did, when you check out my blog when I do a couple of days ago, Amari actually do this for Queenie. And anybody want to see it, I'm going to see it right now.
Which one different about one man to the goodie? When a girl she have a suck up the punny about Queenie and the deck.
Hey people, that away Amari had to say. You understand? So now me feel like that's why Queenie don't normally give she don't normally care about Amari. So that's why Queenie herself now take it up herself and did this last night.
Jesus Christ. Welcome to the gifts. Mr. Sir, man has future. I'm here to say, you know what Queenie and Mother Man. Fix that now, engineer. Yeah, you're wrong, Queenie. And then man tell no tears I'm alive. Queenie, you're wrong. When you call for Queenie, you can't give us some of us. Sure, mother. I mean, the crazy. Never lazy. Natural, real energy. No madness like this. I came with a bomber, put the blood clot. You get time to not the penny dead. Now the music, now the house, now mother, now wife. One thing in the day.
Alright, my people, that's how Queenie there for saying. I don't see she there in the club, she perform, she have a good time. You understand? So make me know what you think. What you think about the clap back what Amari do versus what Queenie have to say last night in the club. You understand? Yeah, a Jamaican chat, I could get it active, my people. Let me know how you feel. But enough people say them are older man and them for just easy themselves, but I don't really feel so about it, to be honest. I like the vibe of Queenie bring and so on. What you tell me what you think about it? So as I say, people, the next update I have on the thing now is Usain Bolt himself finally spoke out after the whole SSL robbery. And the people them rob Usain Bolt and the rest of people them wanna fi tap it. This is how Usain Bolt have some people.
In a world of lies, where is the truth? The history of evil, what is the root?
Listen, nothing but love. Thanks for all the support, always, people. You know what I mean?
People, that is what Usain Bolt took to Instagram, took to his IG, and tell the people them. You understand? And him uploaded two-way and put it on him status and him put it in him stories. For sure, I say I'm serious. So I'm gonna put something on my status and my stories, the two of them, I run at the same time. I'm serious about it, people. So, you see me? And I mean, it goes without saying, root of all evil, Money. I just saw him feel about it right now, my people. You understand? And when you can see people there in the commentary give him support and all of them thing there, when you get a chance, you go over on Usain Bolt IG and show some love. Pass through and make them know say a Jamaican chat sending over there. You understand? So, my people, yes, I want to jump off. But before I jump off, I want to just take a look on the video here. I actually find a video online of Valiant when I'm about 19 years old, my people. Want to check it out?
Yeah, I'm 19 years old, young, jovial, yeah. Used to attend St. Mary's College. Then went to Oberlin High School. Did drama, didn't do music, singing drama and all of that. Singing from basic school age and everything. I love music. Music define who I am, you know?
Yes, my people. Young Valiant at 19 years old. You understand? Yeah, and you must have some interesting things as well. Alright, my people, so right here, so may I go jump off for the rest of the day. May I beg everybody just like, share, subscribe on the channel, my people. It does a lot for the content and it also does a lot for the channel as well. You understand? Jamaican chat. Pick up on yourself, my people. I am out.
What would you say to them?
I'm young, as I said before, and relationship nowadays for young people, all they want to do is like go from ladies to ladies and all of them things.